I'm Dr. Tabasum of Mere Skin Dermatology, and I want to talk to you today about pimples. I can't tell you how many people have come into my office with a huge pimple on their face that they have been for the past 24 hours squeezing, poking, and putting tons of medication on, all in the hopes of reducing the size of it. And I want to give you all the best tip you can possibly imagine for this. When you start to feel a pimple, especially the kind that when you press really hurts, that you can feel kind of erupting from underneath your skin, the number one thing people want to do is immediately start poking at it, squeezing it, putting tons of medications on it. And let me tell you something, it will not work. These pimples that are large, they're painful, you can feel that they're coming up to be a huge welt. These are pimples that have inflammation deep within the pore. So all of your picking, squeezing, and pimple meds that you put on the surface of your skin not only will not touch that pimple deeper beneath, but it can contribute to damage of your superficial surface of your skin. You can get red marks, broken capillaries, hyperpigmentation, infection, scarring. Long story short, there is a reason why we tell you not to pick your pimples. So guess what you can do? You can actually use ice. Ice is a great short-term method that helps you if your pimple is red and painful and newly developing. Remember, this only works on newly developing painful pimples that you can feel coming to the surface. Use an ice cube, take it out of the freezer and hold it on your pimple for a few minutes to help reduce swelling. The cold actually helps contract the blood vessels underneath the skin, helping minimize the appearance of redness and helping reduce the inflammation, which is the cause of this pimple. Obviously, when you can get an appointment with your doctor, they can give you something that's considered a cortisone shot. A cortisone shot is a type of anti-inflammatory medication that they inject directly into the body of that inflammation to help reduce it. But when you can't get to a doctor, do not pick, do not use tons of pimple medications. Literally go to your freezer, grab some ice, and ice that pimple until it actually doesn't feel so sore anymore. I hope that this helps. I'm Dr. Tabasum of Mere Skin Dermatology.